From income tax to customs duty to excise duty to VAT, businesses struggle, mainly because one, business owners are not informed about the different taxes and their implications and their rights and obligations. So we are going to talk about that. Today's video is going to be a Q&A, and we're going to answer the different questions that are frequently asked. We did a survey and the most frequently asked questions about taxation. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I gathered a few questions and we're going to delve into that today. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So question 1, what is taxation on business? Basically, taxation is a payment, a money contribution made by the people to the government. It's a compulsory levy and there's no reward, there's no profit from the taxes that we pay. The only reward we get is from the public services that we get, public hospitals, roads, and yeah, whatever the government provides to the people. That's the benefit we get, but you don't expect a monetary profit from the tax. Yeah. Next question, who collects these taxes? URA does. URA collects the taxes, but it's our obligation as individuals to assess ourselves, file a return to URA. But if you don't assess yourself, or if you don't keep your records and file, or if you don't file your returns, as long as your business is registered, URA is going to find you and they will assess you. So yes, URA collects the taxes. We assess ourselves as business owners or as business professionals and remit our taxes to URA. Next question, who is supposed to pay taxes in Uganda? Both resident and non-resident individuals deriving income in Uganda are liable to pay the taxes. The difference is resident persons are liable to paying taxes to income collected both within Uganda and out of Uganda, whereas non-resident individuals are only taxed on the income derived in Uganda. Next question, what types of taxes do businesses in Uganda typically pay? Ugandan businesses typically are liable to return to pay income tax. There's income tax, there is pay as you earn, value added tax, that's VAT. The businesses that manufacture goods are able to pay excise duty. Businesses that import are liable to pay customs duty, there is stamp duty. All those taxes will be explained, but just a snippet. Income tax is in two forms: the businesses that are registered as corporations and businesses that are registered as just businesses. So if your business is registered as a corporation, you are liable to file income tax. And if your business is just registered as a business, you file income tax, but as a presumptive income tax payer. What is the difference? Income tax is taxed on the profit made by the business, whereas presumptive income is taxed on the net turnover of the business. Those are the total sales made by the business throughout the year. So yes, and once a business's income exceeds 150 million, then you are now liable to file for income tax. Pay as you earn, for every registered business that has employees and is paying salaries, is liable to first of all register for pay as you earn and then remit pay as you earn. It is remitted every 15th day, every month before the 15th day of the month. We have VAT, value added tax. This is tax on the sales of the business. If you're a business that is involved in selling of goods and services, then you are obliged to return value added tax, which is also a monthly tax. We have gaming tax. This is a weekly tax. Gaming tax is remitted before every Wednesday of the week, and this is majorly from betting companies and that category. And local government taxes, that are trading license, local service tax. Basically, that's about it, and I'll talk about the taxes in detail in my next videos. So, our next question: what is the threshold for VAT registration in Uganda? Any business that makes sales that are more than 150 million shillings, Ugandan shillings, are supposed to register for VAT and start paying VAT. And in case you report your business and you report your 5-year returns with sales that are above 150 million for a number of years without filing for VAT, you are going to be penalized. You're penalized and are liable to pay all the VAT returns that you were supposed to pay from the moment you filed an income tax return of 150 million and above. So if you're a business and you are filing your income tax and you realize that your sales are above 150 million, please, you need to file for VAT. You need to register for VAT and start filing monthly VAT returns to avoid being penalized. Next question: how does the withholding tax system work in Uganda? Withholding tax is applicable on interests, dividends, royalties. Before you get that money, the company that is remitting the dividends first deducts a certain amount of money, which is the tax, the withholding tax, and then they give you the rest. So that money that has been deducted is the withholding tax. Yeah, next question: how can a business minimize their tax liability? Tax liability can be minimized in various ways. Uh, as businesses, first of all, you need to be informed about what taxes am I supposed to pay, what waivers are available for me to utilize, what credits are available for me to utilize. Credits are, for example, if you're a business and you're filing for VAT, you pay VAT or any other tax. If you paid probably a certain amount of money last year or last period and you paid it in excess, it is going to show as a credit when you are a portal. So if I paid 1 million in VAT excess this month, or if I purchased goods that are VATable this month and there's a VAT charged in excess of my sales, if I paid a certain amount of money of tax in this period in excess and I'm liable to pay a certain amount of money in the next period, I can just utilize my credit, the excess tax that I paid in the last period, and just offset it to the next period. That way, my liability that I was supposed to pay in the next period is reduced. So very many businesses usually lose a lot of money in paying taxes because they do not utilize their credit. The next question: what is a tax leakage? If you are a business and you're paying more taxes than you should be paying, then you have a tax leakage. I'll give an example. There's some certain taxes that we pay that can be avoided. Taxes that we pay in penalties, in interests, in tickets, road traffic tickets. Basically, those are taxes that we can avoid. So as a business, being cautious about these taxes and avoiding them as much as you can will save you some cash. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye.